It's in the moments when your face is next to mine and we don't show it. Always making up the time, so put it in motion. My desires taking over my emotions, my emotions. Want you everywhere. Want you to scream my name with my hands around your waist. Yeah. You, baby, all night. Baby, you and me are shadows on the ceiling. That's my favorite feeling. Yeah, I doing what we do in the moonlight. I'm with you, baby, all night. Baby, you and me are shadows on the ceiling. That's my favorite feeling. Yeah, I doing what we do in the moonlight. Never leave every way. Just scream my name with my hands around your waist. Yeah, I doing what we do with the moonlight. I'm with you, baby, all night. Baby, you and me, shadows on the ceiling. That's my favorite feeling. Yeah, doing what we do in the moonlight. I'm in love with you, baby, all night. Baby, you and me are shadows on the ceiling. That's my favorite feeling. Yeah, hey, doing what we do in the moonlight. Doing what we do in the moonlight.
Nagustuhan niyo ba yung newest single namin?
Yan. Ang tanong, yung newest single ba namin o si Terry yung nagustuhan niyo?
Ano? Terry? Oy, huwag na akong mag-Terry! Kami, ha?
Terry, you wanna come down here?
Nakakaselos na, ha?
Sige lang, sa Terry dyan, guys.
Kamusta, Manila?
Yo, you guys were crazy down there.
Everyone, Terry Joe!
Yo, thank you so much for having me here.
Oh, thank you so much. Para po sa inyong kalaman, for those people who don't know, Terry is one of the producers of the song Moonlight. Give it up for Terry!
Yeah!
Napakahusay. Nasaan na yung notes mo sa kamao mo? Kailangan naman
You
sabihin.
wrote something on your hand, right?
Oh yeah.
You already told your secret today.
Yeah, I was doing some cheat codes on my wrist. Yeah, I was writing Mahaya. I wrote it yesterday, but I think today I remember.
It's already
Mahaya ako sa hold on. Mahaya ako nandito ako.
Masaya siya. Can you say, mahal ko kayo 18?
Mahaya ko kayo 18.
So, can you say, ang OA nyo naman? Ang OA nyo naman?
Ang OA niyang ama.
Ang OA nyo naman?
Wow! Angrier!
Ang OA nyo naman!
Ang OA niya ama.
pala kayo. So, okay.
What's that mean?
So how?
What did you say, love me?
So how's your stay in the Philippines so far?
Yo, I gotta say, I really love this city. I really love Manila. You know, I tried to get Jollibee this morning, but I think it was too packed, so I couldn't get it. Yeah, but I think I met some of the 18s earlier today when I tried to get the lunch. But yeah, and I feel the energy. Thank you guys for being so supportive. Thank you, and thank you 18.
Thank you daw.
So this is the $1 million question, Terry. What contestant number 1? What is your favorite Filipino dish?
Damn. I gotta say, okay, so I was trying. I didn't hear what you said, but I was trying the CC.
Sisi!
I was trying CC at lunch, and that was fire. That was fire.
Terry loves sisi. Sino marunong magluto ng sisi dito? Talaga?
Grabe yan.
Pag kami gusto nyo magluto, tapos pag kayo lulutuan nyo si Terry,
Alam mo namin niya kung sino yung mga
kami inuutusan nyo mag-vlog, mag-tiktok, mag-live, tapos siya lulutuan nyo.
Alam niyo ba mamaya, yung mga nagtaas ng kamay, i-review ko yung yung stream, i-review ko ang YouTube. Ito, ano na to? Ban na to sa concert natin, hindi na
Hindi,
mapapasukin.
diyan paglabas nila may scanner dyan.
May scanner.
Makikita yung mukha na, ipapas nila.
Nagtaas ng kamay to, hindi ba kapasok?
Alam nyo kanina pa tayo nag-uusap si Terry nakaganon lang. But anyways,